Well, my husband had a stroke, and it was really unexpected, so it was quite a shock. But luckily, he recovered enough that he's able to come home. The hospital didn't want to release him, though, until we made some changes to make things safer for him and to help with his recovery. Well, we needed something barrier-free, so with the low entry, so he could get into it safely, because there's no way he could step into a regular tub to have a shower. It's not the sort of thing you can just get from your local hardware store, but luckily I found out about Freedom Showers online, so I contacted accessibility professionals and they were able to get us a shower that matched the drain that we already had for the tub, so we didn't have to change our plumbing or the framework, and it just made everything so simple, and it looks good too. Well, they had all the accessories we needed. The seat attaches right to the wall, but it's hinged so I can fold it up when I need to have a shower. And what I really liked was the grab bars. They don't look institutional. They don't look like what's in a hospital. They actually match the decor and look nice. I mean, we needed it quickly, and that was one of the urgent matters about it, so he could come home. And we had a gang of friends, some of whom are contractors, who came over, and they said it was really easy to install. So it was all done, and he was able to come home. It's made everything easier and safer for him so that we can get on with our living. Accessibility professionals really came through for us.